Here are 5 creator tools under $100 that are actually worth it. Tool number 1 is the Deity V-Mic D4 Mini. It's a $50 little shotgun on-camera microphone that's super tiny and easy to use. It's plug and play. Your camera powers it so there's no batteries required. It also has an input which most mics this size do not have. It sounds great, it's super affordable, and there's a little cheat code where you can turn this into a wireless mic. You can plug it into your phone, you can plug it into your camera, you can use it as a computer mic. This mic does it all, and it's only $50. It comes with a wind muff to reduce noise when you're outside. This is the perfect mic when you just want to throw it on your camera, grab your camera, and do a little bit of vlogging. This is the perfect on-camera mic. You can also use it with your computer, with your phone. It's super versatile, it's super tiny, and it's only $50. Here are some mic tests of this little microphone. This was a vlogging test in a controlled studio environment, but now let's see how it sounds in a car and outside. So this is just a quick vlogging test inside of a car because I want to see the different noise levels of the road and all of the ambient noises, and would this still work as a good vlog mic for when you're driving? Not that you should vlog when you drive, but in a car. If you were in a car and vlogging, how does this microphone sound? There's some cars kind of around the area. There's not really a lot of wind noise, but I will show you what the wind muff would sound like and would help if there was wind, which there isn't really wind right now, but I'll put it on so you can see a difference. And now this is with the wind muff, so you can see a comparison of how it sounds with and without the wind muff. Again, there's not really any wind, but if there were, man, it would sure be helping. Just imagine that. So this is with the wind muff, and this is without the wind muff. Also, this thing is massive, very muffy. I think it could withstand great amounts of wind. Next up is the Tilta 4-slot battery charger. The charger is only $26, but make sure you also purchase the $13 little fast charging brick. This is the fastest charger that I can find where you can also charge multiple batteries at one time. You've got the 4 slots, and I'll put on screen here where I did a 30-minute timer to see how much charge each of these batteries would get based on their current percentage when I put them in. You can see after 30 minutes, this is how much charge they got. So fast. Every time that I plug all of my batteries in, and I'm like, all right, I need to come back quick because I'm at a shoot. I need these to be charged really fast. I come back, I'm impressed every single time. They're up to like 60, 70%, exactly where I need them to be. Whereas with some of my old chargers, the little newer 2-slot charger, as well as the tri-charge that holds 3 batteries, are just so much slower. So get this Tilta 4-slot charger with the fast charge brick for only like $35 on Amazon. Plus it comes in this sick green color. Number 3 is this K&F Concept mini tripod. Now, I've owned several mini tripods throughout the years, but I finally decided to get one that is like a literal baby tripod. It's got your head, it's a ball head so that you can adjust it, and it's got extendable legs so you can just bring those all the way out or collapse them down. It's the perfect little size to put on a desk, on a counter, on the floor, and it can even go flat. You can see it does extend all the way flat, which is super useful. It literally does everything, and since I picked this up, it's only $57 on Amazon. I have used this way more than I ever thought I would use a little mini tripod. You look at it and you're like, oh, I never need that. I have full-size tripods. But once you get a mini tripod, there is no going back. Super useful, pick one of these up, you won't regret it. And while we're talking about all these really cool pieces of gear, I actually have a gear recommendations resource that's completely free. You can just click that link in the description to download it and see all the other different pieces of gear that I recommend for different budgets. So click that link in the description if you want my free gear resource. Now, our next tool is one of these iFootage really big light stands with the round base on it. This thing is awesome. It saves you space. The base plate is heavy, so it keeps your camera nice and sturdy when you have it on there, or you can put lights on it, whatever you need to mount on it. I actually have the 79-inch version, which is actually 120 bucks, but you can get the 60-inch version for only $90. This thing is awesome. There have been so many times lately where I'm just putting this where I need it, or like in a corner, and you can just untwist these, bring it up to however tall you might need it. Boom, you can have your camera on it. You can do low angles without having the tripod legs all in the way. This thing has just been super useful, and it's really sturdy. Like, that is not going anywhere unless you just like massively hit it. Look at that sturdiness. Moving on to our fifth item is this little K&F Concept magic arm. There are tons of these online. This one's only $20, and it's just a simple little magic arm. Comes with the little clamp, so you can attach your camera here or whatever object here. I've even attached another clamp on this end, and you can use it to hold up a 5-in-1 reflector if you're wanting some diffusion for your light. You can literally clamp anything to this. I've clamped my DJI Pocket 3 on top of my door to get this really cool overhead shot. These are so useful. You probably need more than one, and you should probably just buy one because they're only 20 bucks on Amazon. And I have a bonus sixth item that's the Sennheiser MKE 400. Now, I know you've probably seen this little mic. Yes, it is actually $150, but hear me out. No, really, like, hear me out. Here's some of these audio tests from this mic, and you can decide for yourself if this is one that you want to add to your toolkit. So, this is an audio test of the Sennheiser MKE 400, and this is a vlog test with the Sennheiser MKE 400. Now, this is the Sennheiser MKE 400, all nice and propped up on a little tripod. And speaking of the two mics that I'm recommending in this video, if you want to see these compared up with a $500, a $300, and more expensive mics, check out my mic video right over here where I compare all 5 shotgun mics.